Taoiseach, the Criminal Law Sexual Offences Act was passed in 2017, and under that Act there was not only a promise but a legal obligation to carry out a review. That Act was brought in ostensibly to provide better protection to sex workers on the ground. There was much debate at the time, so the review was absolutely essential to see if the legislation is achieving what it has been set out to do. So we were promised it, let me tell you, 2020, 21, 22, mid-22 and so on into 23. No review has been carried out, although hasn't been completed, although I'm given to understand that it may have been completed. So I'm very simple question, within my time, has the report been completed? If so, when will it be published? If it hasn't been completed, when will it be completed?
Thank you, Deputy Taoiseach.
Do I have to take this, or can the Minister? I think the leaders I'd take
On QPL, it can be the Minister.
Okay.
Thanks very much, Deputy. Actually, I raised that issue in the department shortly after I was appointed. I'm aware that the review has been ongoing. It's not completed yet, but I agree with you in respect of the urgency of it being published. And I will go back to the department. I'll find out for you when will be the date of publication of the review.